Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Microsoft Planner, organize team tasks step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Microsoft Planner. If you have not bookmarked it, you can search for Microsoft Planner in your search engine. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be redirected to the Microsoft login page. Enter your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Click on the Next button to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you wish to stay signed in, you may check the box that says Keep me signed in. Click on the Sign In button once you have entered your password. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to complete that process. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, whether through a text message, email, or authentication app. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your Microsoft Planner dashboard. Here, you can see your existing plans and tasks. To create a new plan, click on the New Plan button. Fill in the required fields such as plan name and visibility settings. Click on Create Plan to save your new plan. Now, you can start adding tasks to your plan. Click on that Add Task button to begin. Enter a name for the task and fill in any additional details you might need. Assign the task to a team member if applicable. Set the due date and priority level as necessary. Finally, click on Add Task to save it. You can now organize your team tasks and manage the workflow efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.